What is good, YouTube? It is your boy Sneakerhead on a budget. Go ahead, leave a like, share, and subscribe. And you know your boy is excited today. They just came in, y'all. You know we gotta do an unboxing for you. You know we gotta check it out. You know we gotta make sure it smell good. You know how your boy like to do.
Boy, if you don't get...
Let's get into it.
One pair to wear, one pair on ice. Aftermarket speculation will surely hike up the price. Call that all in the plans. Feeling like Mike with the ball in my hands. Swear to God it's...
Alright, so what's good, budget fam? You know your boy out here excited to say I want to unbox this real quick. But remember, I told y'all we would unbox it together because your boy had to put in work to get these. I'm talking about your boy missed L on Finish Line, L on Full Line, L on Sneakers app. Your boy just lost everything.
Halfway.
And so I was like, dang. But some people came through. You know, your boy had to do some legwork, better make some calls, check on some sites, and your boy finally got through, and they just came in today. So let's go ahead and check these out. You know, your boy got his trusty knife, and let's do it. Ooh. Ooh. It's the most beautiful sound. Oh, I'm struggling. Already know what it is. Let's go ahead and pull these out real quick, like. I'm just struggling with the internet. Oh my God. Come on. Go. Woo! First of all, let's peep the box. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. As you see, so your boy is trying to get the size 11.5. That's your boy's size. So I had to settle for the 11. But it's okay. I'll go a size below. It's alright. I ain't tripping off that. Because I got these in hand and your boy is not worried. So let's go ahead and check these out. Look at the box. Signature Nike box. The black box. You know, the Jordan 1 box. This thing is looking super duper clean. As you can tell. You can tell by that thing right there. These boys is real. Just looking excited. So let's go ahead and check these things out. Drum roll, please. No, I'm messing with y'all. So just look at it. First of all, you look at the wrapping. Just regular wrapping. I wish that it done something a little cooler with the wrapping, but it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. We'll be alright. We'll live. Let's go ahead and take this out and instantly. Your boy love the smell of their shoes though. Your boy love the smell. Let's pull these bad boys out. Whew. This is what all the hype was about. This is what all the craziness about. And I made a video about it being crazy, and it was. I'm talking about hectic. I'm talking about people on forums and people still on forums though. People all over the place still looking for their shoe and they couldn't. Oh, am I touching it? Look at that. Look at the quality. Look at these. My gosh. Just people just going crazy trying to find a pair. And I'm so glad I found it. So the shoe comes in with an extra pair of blue laces. Not the blue laces from Trophy Room. That release didn't exist because no one got it. But check out those blue laces right there, which is cool. Goes in the tongue right there, like Nike Air. Peep that. So we're gonna go ahead and just check out the shoe. Look at the material. So this feels like nubuck, you know, like aged nubuck. You know, when people get the shoe and they kind of like scrape it down, make it look a little more vintage. This is what it definitely feels like, and it feels really soft. Like they put quality in this. I'm not gonna lie, they put some quality in this. It looks really soft. Just looking at the shoe itself, it feels like, ooh, hold up. Do y'all feel that? Y'all feel how soft that is? This part right. Ooh. That swoosh has it too. This thing is soft, y'all. This is a clean shoe. Now worry about getting this dirty because of how light it is, but damn, this is just. So I see what all the hype was about. It has gray on the bottom, right there. Just the shoe is just—it's a clean look. The one with the blue and the gray. I like the little dark royal, you know, and the accents over here on the stitching. It really makes it super duper dope. I dig these a lot. Check it out. Regular insole, as you know Nike do, and just look at that. Peep the Nike Air at the end. Oh, with the laces. Peep that Nike Air on the inside with the size tag. Definitely cool. Regular Jordan 1. This feels a little more cushiony, but dude, like I'm really digging these, and I definitely appreciate the quality they put in these, especially with all the work you have to do. There's nothing more disheartening when you put a lot of legwork into getting a shoe and it's just trash. So it's nice to get these in hand and they feel just freaking amazing. I am super excited to even put an outfit together. Your boy thinking of outfits today. But these are super duper clean, guys. I'm looking for any mess ups. You know, Nike comes in and everything is not as good as it seems. I do see like a little blemish right here on the swoosh on the inside. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's a little dark spot right there. Damn! But aside from that, that's it. Let me pull out the second pair. Look at that right here while I pull out the second pair. Just so you can see if the other shoe. So the other shoe looks fine. I don't see no blemish on this side. The other shoe looks fine. Yeah, man. These look good. Like, I can definitely see where the hype was. I can definitely see where everybody was going crazy for these. And I'm glad I was able to secure a pair. It was just tough out there. And it's just like any Jordan release going on now that's like really hyped or super crazy. It's just, it's tough. It's tough out there. So, you know, this is my first dead stock, well, brand new cop in years. This is the first time I bought like a brand new shoe in years. I don't really get shoes. You know me, if you're new to the channel, I get shoes from thrift stores or eBay and I fix them up and I do my thing. But this is nice, and I'm hoping I can finally get a dub on sneakers at. So I can hopefully change my account up. If not, I'm just gonna have to just delete it and start a new one. But that's a whole different story. It is. We're talking about this shoe right here, and this shoe right here is just amazing. Like, I'm looking at it right now, and I'm like, now the leather right here, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna hold you. It's pretty nice. It's not like the soft leather of the bread of the world, the recent releases, how they made them like super soft. They didn't do that with these, but they're still soft nonetheless. It's still good quality. Really, like, there's not much I can say more. Just like, this is a really good shoe. Definitely, I hope you guys were able to cop a pair. I know a few of my people were able to cop a pair, and I'm just glad that they copped the pair and I copped the pair. Because usually they cop it, like my boy, he cop it, and I don't get nothing, and I gotta sit there and be like, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I don't want them anyway, but that's cool. I'm lying. So it's definitely nice to have these in. I can't wait to put them on feet and just rock these out. So if you follow me on the Instagram, definitely look out for the outfits that can come with this. Definitely look out for the look. And whoo! Again, appreciate you guys for coming in, Budget Fam. Definitely appreciate you guys for checking out this review. If you were able to cop this pair, definitely go and grab it. I know sale price right now are ridiculous right now. Sale's amazing. And looking at it, they're about to go up. So do what you can to get a pair. And rock it, you know. It's your boy Sneakerhead on a budget. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Let's go, Budget Fam. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
We're gonna jump right into this one. Check out, chaka, what, chaka, boka. What's a heart broken? You see her and you start choking. A dark open room. Will Tony Stark open the door, hoping he'll take you out of this mess? Hope you love all of my shit.
hot shit.